Now we move on to the level 2 question. Exactly the same question as the level 1, but a little bit harder. A straight beach 3.4 kilometers long links the harbours AD A and Curlew C. So A to C is 3.4 kilometers long. The total distance AC on the map is showing 13.6 centimeters. So the length here, in reality, in real life, would be 3.4 kilometers. Show the scale of the map is 4 centimeters to 1 kilometer. Okay, so if we're going 4 centimeters to 1 kilometer, we should be dividing our centimeters by 4 to get to kilometers. So that's what I need to show. 13.6 centimeters divided by 4 equals, it should be 3.4 kilometers. Check it on your calculator to be sure, although you know it's going to be true because they've told you that that's what it is. So we've got 13.6 divided by 4, and that equals 3.4, as they said. Next. Sarah and Fiona sail their boat from AD to a buoy 3 kilometers northeast of AD. So we're starting from AD. It's going to be 3 kilometers. I'm already just working these out. What's that going to be in centimeters? 3 divided by 4 is going to be 3/4, so it's going to be 0.75. If you notice, I've done that the wrong way, haven't I? To go from kilometers to centimeters the other way, the inverse, I need to times by 4. So that's going to be wrong. It's actually 3 times 4, which I can do in my head, 12 centimeters. And northeast, we should know, is 45 degrees. I might put it in a bearing format, 0.45, just to make sure. And of course, they ask, plot the position of the buoy and label it B. So, first thing we do is we sort out the direction. Direction is northeast, which is 45 degrees. There's my compass, my protractor. I put it on A and I point 0 to north. Now that says 180, so I've done that wrong. I need to have 0 there. As you can see, there we are, 0. And 45 degrees. There we are. And then need to put a line through it. I'm going to do it in this in a different colour. And it needs to be 12 centimetres. And here is where, if I'd carried on with 0.75 centimetres, that would have been ridiculously tiny. So I'd have known I'd have gone wrong there. And I could have changed it. So there's my 12 centimetre mark. And we're there. And label it B. If you don't label it B, you don't get the mark, or you lose 1 mark. So that's that done. Now, let's shift this up and answer the rest of it. Can we get there? Just about. Draw a north line at B. I realise I need to shift this up a bit more. Draw a north line at B. So we get my ruler and I put it perpendicular to the paper. So at the top here, can't quite see, but I'm parallel with the side, and my ruler is perpendicular to the paper, and I'm just going to put it through here. Let's do it with a red pen, and label it with an N. That's my north line. That gets you 1 mark, easy as that. Even if you put B in the wrong place, so over here, as long as you draw a north line, you get a mark. So if you get confused on this, look for the north line question and make sure you draw a north line. at a point labelled B, and you get a mark. Fiona swims due south from the buoy until she reaches the beach. How many kilometres does Fiona swim? So we need to go straight down here. And we're going to measure it. It is 5.9 centimetres. And 5.9 centimetres. We need to times it by 0.75, or sorry, easier to say, divide by 4. 5.9 divided by 4 equals 1.475 kilometres. And three significant figures is going to be 1.48, because the 5 rounds up. Don't forget your three significant figures. And then lastly, Sarah sails the boat from the buoy to Curly. On which bearing does Sarah sail? So I need to measure this angle here. Remembering our steps, we start at north, which we've drawn that north line. Protractor on that, through the north line. And we're going around here, 10, 20, there's 90, 180, not quite 230, 228. Label it there, put it there. It's only worth 1 mark because you got the 1 mark for the north line. Show you where I wrote my answer, there, 228. And that's that done.